mob who runs a syndicate with 2 typewriters and the Bible. Bernardo Provenzano, the head of Sicilian Cosa Nostra from 1993 to 2006, was apprehended after evading capture for 40 years. Despite the technological advances of the time, he ran his criminal empire using only typewriters, a dictionary, and multiple annotated Bibles. Authorities discovered that Provenzano communicated with his associates through coded notes known as pizzini, which he folded so small they could be hidden between people's toes. He employed a cipher that shifted each letter's position by 3, but the significance of his extensive Bible annotations remains ambiguous. Provenzano's hideout was adorned with religious imagery, and he was known to engage in daily religious practice. Although investigators confiscated his annotated Bibles, they have yet to decipher any hidden codes within them, leaving open the possibility that they were simply personal reflections rather than cryptic messages.